We crammed all of us in the back of the Subaru, got to our destination at 1 a.m., slept at the trailhead, and started hiking at 6 a.m. With minimal sleep, it could have been easy to stay in bed, even though it wasn't comfortable. Many of you might not know, but I'm still a full-time student. It might look like I travel all the time and I'm living an amazing life, and don't get me wrong, I am. But it isn't always what it seems. I was attending school at a 4-year university here in Washington and began to fail my classes due to a very busy schedule. Late last winter, I decided to check out all my options and found an amazing online program here in Washington. It was back to the drawing board. I was stuck at a point in my life where I wanted to leave school to pursue my creative endeavors. But on the other hand, I value an education and had already hit the halfway mark in completing my degree. With the support of my family and friends, I left school and began my classes online. It's surprising to me to see how many people are unfamiliar with this new form of schooling, and many people look down on it or feel as if it's not the same as a 4-year degree. That I look at it is that I'll still have the same piece of paper that says I completed school in the next year and a half as all the other students. For me, I couldn't handle sitting inside of a classroom and listening to a professor when I could learn it myself at home. If you're having a tough time in school, there are other ways that you can get an education. I want people to know that there's these opportunities out there and ways for you to live your best life. It's all about being happy and doing what you love, and I don't think you can't do it. Because many people have been at the same crossroad before, and they've made it work. Why can't you?